Business, Sales, and Marketing 101, your guide to success. Hey there, future business rock stars. Ever thought about starting your own thing? Or maybe just curious about how businesses actually, Well, you're in the right place. Think of this as your crash course in Business, Sales, and Marketing 101. No boring lectures here, promise. We're diving in with clear, simple language and real-life examples because who wants to be lost in a sea of jargon? By the end of this, you'll be prepped with the basics to navigate the exciting world of business. Let's get started. Section 1. What is business? Okay, so what exactly a business? In the simplest terms, it's about offering something people need or want. This could be a product, a service, or even an idea. Think about your favorite coffee shop. They're in business to provide you with that delicious caffeine fix every morning. A business aims to solve a problem, fulfill a desire, or make life a little bit better for its customers. And guess what? It needs to make money while doing so. That's the profit part, the reward for all the hard work. But it's not just about the money. A successful business is also about building relationships, creating value, and making a positive impact. It's about passion, creativity, and a whole lot of hustle. Are you ready to roll up your sleeves? Section 2, Sales, the Art of Connecting. Now, let's talk sales. Don't worry, we're not talking about pushy tactics or cheesy lines. Sales, at its heart, is about connecting with people and understanding their needs. It's about showcasing how your product or service can truly help them. Imagine you've invented a super durable phone case. Sales is about finding those clumsy phone droppers out there. We've all been there. And showing them how your invention can save the day and their screens. It's about building trust, answering questions, and guiding them towards a decision that benefits both of you. Remember, people buy from people. Authenticity and genuine enthusiasm go a long way. So ditch the salesy persona and let your passion shine through. Section 3. Marketing getting noticed. All right, you've got a killer product and you're a sales whiz. But how do you get people to even you exist? That's where marketing steps in. It's about getting your message out there, loud and clear, to the right people. Think of marketing as a giant megaphone for your business. It's about crafting compelling stories, creating eye-catching visuals, and finding your tribe in the vast digital landscape. Social media, website content, email campaigns, even that quirky billboard you saw on your commute. It's all marketing. The goal? To grab attention, spark interest, and ultimately drive sales. Section 4. How they work together, a balancing act. Business, sales, and marketing. They're like the three musketeers of the business world, each playing a crucial role in achieving success. But how do they all fit together? Think of it as a delicate dance. Business sets the stage, defining the product, the target audience, and the overall vision. Marketing then steps in to build awareness and generate excitement. Finally, sales swoops in to seal the deal, converting interested prospects into loyal customers. It's a beautiful symphony of efforts, each element working in harmony to achieve a common goal. Section 5. Example. Sarah's handmade jewelry business. Let's bring this to life with an example. Meet Sarah, a talented artisan who crafts stunning handmade jewelry. Her is all about creating unique, high-quality pieces that empower women. Her strategy? Showcasing her jewelry's beauty and craftsmanship through stunning Instagram photos, collaborating with fashion bloggers, and even setting up a booth at local craft fairs. And her? Sarah shines when interacting with customers at fairs, sharing her passion for her craft, and helping them find the perfect piece to express their individuality. See how it all connects? Section 6. Basic business concepts. Building a strong foundation. Now that you understand the big picture, let's lay down some fundamental business concepts. First up, who are you trying to reach? What are their needs and desires? Knowing your audience is key to crafting the right message and reaching them effectively. Next, What makes your product or service stand out? What problem are you solving? This is your unique selling point, the reason why customers should choose over the competition. Finally, how will you actually make money? Will you sell products directly? Offer subscriptions? Understanding your revenue model is crucial for financial sustainability. Section 7. Sales 101, from first impression to closing the deal. Let's dive into some sales essentials. First impressions matter. Whether it's a friendly greeting at a store or a professional email response, make it count. Listen attentively to your customers' needs, ask questions, and build rapport. Remember, it's not about pushing a sale, but finding the right solution. Highlight the benefits of your product or service, not just the features. How will it improve their lives? Address their concerns head-on, build trust through testimonials and social proof, and don't be afraid to ask for the sale when the time is right. Remember, sales is a continuous learning process. Embrace feedback, analyze your successes and failures, and never stop honing your skills. Section 8. Marketing Essentials, Finding Your People. Marketing can feel overwhelming, but here are some starting points. First, define your brand identity. What are your values? What's your tone of voice? Consistency is key across all your marketing channels. Content is king. Create valuable, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Think blog posts, videos, social media updates, or even podcasts. Just make sure it's something your audience genuinely wants to consume. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out and engage with them authentically. Finally, track your results. Use analytics to see what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Section 9. Bringing it all together, your roadmap to success. Remember Sarah? Her success lies in seamlessly weaving together business, sales, and marketing. She identified her target audience, women who appreciate unique, handcrafted jewelry, honed her brand identity, empowering women through her craft, and strategically utilized marketing channels where her audience was most active. By understanding her customers' needs and desires, Sarah crafted a sales approach that resonated deeply. She focused on building relationships, sharing her passion, and highlighting the unique value of her jewelry. Her success is a testament to the power of a holistic approach where business, sales, and marketing work hand in hand to achieve sustainable growth. Section 10. Tips for beginners. Don't be afraid to start. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry, it's normal. Starting a business or diving into the world of sales and marketing can feel daunting. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Here are a few tips to get you started. Start small. You don't need a fully fleshed out business plan on day one. Take baby steps, test the waters, and learn as you go. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of resources available, from online courses to mentorship programs. Seek guidance from those who have walked the path before you. Network, network, network. Attend industry events, connect with people online, and build relationships with potential customers and collaborators. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Not everything you try will be a home run. Learn from your mistakes, pivot when necessary, and keep moving forward. Most importantly, be passionate. Let your enthusiasm shine through in everything you do. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey begins now. Congratulations! You've just completed a crash course in the fundamentals of business, sales, and marketing. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of business is constantly evolving, so embrace continuous learning, stay curious, and never stop exploring. Now go out there, chase your dreams, and make a difference.